Good morning, students. Welcome back to the E-class of St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. How are you all? I hope you all are well and safe at your home. Class is 1. Subject is computer. Topic is keyboard, and it is presented by your computer teacher, Miss Nikita K. Students, before starting today's class, let us have a quick recap of previous class. In the previous class, we have learned the following topics. Summary of Chapter 6. It is the sum up of all the topics we have learned in Chapter 6. The topics are mouse, types of mouse, buttons of a mouse, mouse pointer, mouse pad, types of clicking, how to do dragging and dropping by using a mouse. Exercise. In this part, we have discussed and understood the meaning of the exercises. In the exercises, we have learned fill in the blanks, true or false, questions and their answers. After the revision of chapter number 6, let us now learn chapter 7. In this class, we are going to learn number 1, keyboard. What is a keyboard? Number 2, keys of a keyboard. What are the different types of keys on a keyboard? We are going to learn. Number 3 is alphabet keys. What are alphabet keys? Number 4, number keys. What are number keys? Number 5, function keys. What are function keys? Number 6, arrow keys. We are going to learn what are arrow keys. Number 7, special keys. We are going to learn what are special keys. Keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. We can input the data by pressing keys on the keyboard. There are about 105 keys on the keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. So let us learn first what is an input device. Input device means device that sends data to a computer, allowing you to interact with and control it. A keyboard is an input device because it only sends data to a computer and does not receive any information from it. As we type on the keyboard, we are inputting information into the computer. That is why keyboard is an input device. Small buttons that you see on the keyboard are called keys. To input data or to type, we press the keys on the keyboards. There are about 105 keys on the keyboard. This is a keyboard. You can see that small buttons are on it. These buttons are known as keys. There are about 105 keys on a keyboard. You may be able to see the different types of keys on it. This is a keyboard. Now you will be able to learn that what is a keyboard and how it looks. Keys on a keyboard. Let us learn how many types of keys are there on the keyboard. There are different types of keys on the keyboard. Their names are as follows: alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, arrow keys, and special keys. Alphabet keys. Suppose you want to type your name on the computer screen. For this, you use the keys marked with letters A to Z of the English alphabet. These keys are called alphabet keys. They are 26 in number. As in English, there are 26 alphabets from A to Z. Similarly, we can see alphabets from A to Z on a keyboard. These keys are called alphabet keys. These keys are marked from A to Z. These keys helps us to write words and sentences on the computer screen. Students, you can see that some keys are marked with yellow color. The keys in the yellow color are alphabet keys. They are at the center of the keyboard. In the first row, the alphabets are Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P. In second row, A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. In third row, Z, X, C, V, B, N, M. All these keys are alphabet keys. They are used to type words, sentences, your names, etc. Number keys. Suppose you want to write your city's PIN code number or your mobile number. For this, you have to use the keys marked with the numbers 0 to 9. These keys are called number keys. They also help to carry out arithmetical calculations. The number keys are used to type numbers. They are marked with 0 to 9. Number keys are present at the two places on the keyboard. First is on the top of the alphabet keys. Second is on the right hand side of the keyboard. This is called numeric keypad. Also, we can calculate or we can do arithmetical calculations with the help of number keys. Number keys. Students, see that the keys just above the alphabet keys are number keys. They are marked with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. And on the right hand side, see that there also some number keys are given. These are known as numeric keypad. From both the sides we can use the number keys. Either we can use the number keys given on just above the alphabet keys, or we can use the number keys on the right hand side, that is from numeric keypad. Numeric keypad will only work when we turn on the num lock. Function keys. The keys above the number keys and are marked with F F1 to F12 are known as function keys. Each of these keys is used for a special function. The function keys are placed at the top row of the keyboard. These keys are programmable and are denoted by letter F. Function keys range from F1 to F12. The function keys or F keys are lined along the top of the keyboard and labeled F1 through F12. These keys act as shortcuts, performing certain functions like saving files, printing data, or refreshing a page. For example, F1 key is often used as the default help key in many programs. The F5 key is used in an internet browser to refresh or reload a web page. The function of these keys can differ by operating system and by software program. Function keys. Students see the keys which are just above the number keys. These keys are marked with F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. All these keys are known as function keys. They have their special functions and these keys are 12 in number. Arrow keys or cursor control keys. The keys marked with up, down, right and left arrows are known as arrow keys. They are used for moving the cursor on the screen. They are also known as cursor control keys as they control movement of the cursor on the monitor. The arrows are known as cursor control keys. The cursor is the flashing bar on the computer screen that shows your current position. Many keyboards also have a separate pad for these keys. Alternatively referred to as cursor keys, direction keys and navigation keys, the arrow keys are used located between the standard section and the numeric pad on computer keyboards. It is made up of 4 keys: the left arrow, back arrow, up arrow, down arrow and the right arrow, that is forward arrow. Students, these are the arrow keys. In the arrow keys, we have one up arrow, one down arrow, one left arrow and one right arrow. All these keys are known as arrow keys. They are known as arrow keys because they are marked with arrows. Special keys. There are some tasks that cannot be done by the above mentioned keys. They require some other keys. These keys are known as special keys. Some of these keys work in combination with other keys. Commonly used special keys are space bar and enter. A special key or media key or multimedia key is a keyboard key that performs a special function not included with the traditional 105 keyboard keys. A keyboard key that is used to perform functions such as launching a specific application, opening a folder or playing music or videos. Special function keys are added to many keyboards to provide shortcuts for widely used tasks. Homework. Students, your homework is to read the chapter again. You have to read the chapter once again. Watch chapter 7 part 1 video on our YouTube channel. On our YouTube channel, chapter 7 part 1 video is already uploaded. Please watch it. Learn the name of different types of keys. You have to learn the names of different types of keys on a keyboard. My dear students, thank you so much for listening to me very patiently. I hope we will meet soon in our next computer class. Till then, be safe at your home. Do your homework and revise all the work.